Today's full weather forecast is brought to you by Healing Hands Massage in Hamden, providing professional massage services tailored specifically for their clients. Stop by Healing Hands Massage today. You'll thank yourself later. Alrighty, we have some advisories in effect. This right here is a small crowd advisory that's up until 1 a.m. as we head towards your Tuesday, with a gale watch also posted until 7 p.m. Wednesday along the coast. I'm going to pull off the gale watch real quick though, as the small crowd advisory encompasses everybody though until again 1 a.m. Tuesday. And as you saw earlier, parts of the coast under that gale watch as well. Wave heights are active out there at around 4 to 9 feet according toward many of the buoys out there. Let's keep things active as we move forward with the small crowd advisory expiring at 1 a.m. and I'll have to watch out for the gale conditions as we head towards Tuesday night and Wednesday as well. But for now, we're quiet out there. A lot of sunshine greeting us this afternoon after maybe a few snowflakes in some areas this morning. So we're looking pretty good out there. We'll zoom things out and give you the bigger picture. A lot of active weather that's across parts of the country right now. And this thing's going to be moving in our direction with some decent snowfall accumulations in a few spots in the northern parts of the state before we're all finished up. So this thing could give us a little bit of snow in the northern parts of the state with some snow switching over to rain. So whatever accumulates shouldn't stick around very long. No, it just depends on how much some areas receive. Otherwise, though, a lot of sunshine this afternoon before it sets and a mostly clear sky later on tonight. As we head towards tomorrow, though, we're looking pretty good with a lot of sunshine to start things off. And then we start to watch for the clouds moving in as we head towards Tuesday evening as the system begins to approach, and we're going to be watching it starting off as a little bit of snow and wind as well, though. There's a mixture line taking place there, so we could see a transition to a little bit of a windshield mix in a few spots at times before it eventually switches over to rainfall, though, as this tracks off towards the north and east. Notice though some heavy snow in some areas earlier on as well. And then once we head towards early Thursday morning, this thing will start to taper off. Maybe a few rain and snow showers by Thursday, and that'll be about it before this tracks off towards the east. So a decent amount of snow expected in some spots, though, maybe up to around 8 to 9, maybe 10 inches near Millinocket and Greenville before we're all finished up. But further down to the south, lesser accumulations, and again, temperatures will get above freezing, and of course, so we'll see things melting with the rainfall as well. So whatever falls may melt. It'll just take a little bit for it to melt in some cases. Otherwise, so as for rainfall, mainly along the coast, this is showing the snowfall and rainfall units as well, and mainly whatever falls after the switch over. And overall, 1 inch to 1.5 inches of water will be expected in some spots before we're all finished up. So that forecast coming up for today, though, upper 30s, lots of sunshine and breezy out there. The northwest wind getting up to about 25 miles per hour. Overnight tonight, lower 20s and a mostly clear sky. The northwest wind at around 5 to 10 miles per hour. Tomorrow, upper 30s, mostly sunny. The north wind getting up to about 5 miles per hour. Healing Hands Massage extended forecast. So Wednesday, rain and snow likely, highs in the upper 30s. Watch out for some snow accumulations in areas, especially farther off towards the north. A few leftover rain and snow showers Thursday, but otherwise we'll be okay with highs in the lower 40s and lower 40s Friday with a partly cloudy sky.